What's up, guys?
Welcome back to Venture Brothers.
This is the Harriet Nici takeover.
Check it out.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
VBS has been everywhere this year. We've now made it to Indonesia. Check it out.
Alright, babe. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready.
One.
Alright.
Okay, and
ready. As soon as I
Cut.
start talking, you have to get ready to say that.
wait, you're the first. You're the first. Yeah.
What's up?
Okay, sorry. Start that again. Just playing with you.
Where they? Did you?
Oh, come in.
Should we look at it?
Alright, that's good stuff.
Oh my god,
Oh,
we've
we
only just started the orchard.
Oh, really? Yeah. You guys have been talking for ages.
Yeah, I know, sorry. We've had to go cut.
We've
cut,
had to do
cut.
many, especially the intro. Can we watch it back?
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So Harriet was gonna go to Bali by herself.
But then Nikki decided that she would come
Just gonna crash her.
last minute.
Gonna crash her relaxing solo alone time holiday.
Best decision ever though.
It was.
We had the best time.
It was so good.
It was awesome.
Nah, it was so good. We we stayed up.
No, it was so good.
We stayed at this amazing villa called Kuwarasan. Is that how you say it? I always used to say it wrong. In the taxi, you were always like,
Kuwarasan?
Kuwarasan?
Yeah, you see something like that.
Something like that. Anyway.
So we ended up staying at Kuwarasan, a Pramana experience.
Do you have to say the whole name? 572 UBUD Road, UBUD, Indonesia. Latitude 563. Longitude. Oh,
Yes.
God. Oh, no, it was so good though. And how funny was it? Because we stayed in this villa and it had a name. It was called Chempaka. And every time we were at like the restaurant or something, they were like, oh, what room number are you in? And we were like, Chempaka. And they're like, oh, Chempaka. Like we were like, who VIP? And we're like, yeah, Chempaka.
Yeah.
It was so
It was
funny.
so nice.
Yeah, they loved us. They were really good though, those hotel.
It just felt like home, and when we'd arrive back from UBUD, they'd always say, welcome home, and
They did, yeah.
it's just such a beautiful place to stay at. And we also loved the food there as well.
Food was amazing. We ate most of the time in the hotel from the restaurant and the bar there, and it was just the most beautiful food, really small portions of stuff, but the quality of the produce was like phenomenal. Like,
It
not
was.
even kidding. It was, and really reasonably priced as well for what it was.
Absolutely
I would
phenomenal.
definitely phenomenal.
Beautiful. On a positive note, though, we went for a beautiful massage at the resort.
We did. They
It
had the
was-
most amazing spa there.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Oh my god, remember that dickhead? Some dickhead tried to cut us off.
He's like, you can't go this way.
You can't go this way. And we're like, we're not even trying to.
Oh, we were told to go that way, idiot.
Idiot.
But we just looked around the botanical gardens, really, and
They had the thing they had on was tulip
Festival.
Tulip festival.
And there was just such a variety of different tulips, which you'll see in the video.
They were pretty cool.
They were pretty cool, actually.
They were beautiful. Phenomenal.
Absolutely splendid. The tulips were immaculate.
Darling, they were
Darling,
just
they were
so well manicured.
Yes, just a manicured garden.
So beautiful. The gardeners must have paid immense.
Immaculate, really.
Beautiful.
Darling, it was great.
Darling.
Yes.
Darling.
Darling.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, like and subscribe if you like the video.
Leave a comment. Leave a like. Whatever you want. Thanks
Can't
for...
leave a like.
Should do that again.
That was quite good. Because I think we should leave it like that. Anyway, we'll go. Shut up.
No, because it made it look like you're taking a piss out of me. I don't want that.
You already took the pass out of me. Pass out of me. The pass.
The pus.
Anyway, guys, like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
See you next time. Comment below.
Laters.
No, you're too gangster.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.